Hi there, Adam here, Head of Social and Strategy for ColorSwitch and also CEO of the agency Social Kick. Just wanted to take a few seconds to talk about Josue and what he's been able to do for our company, specifically in ColorSwitch. One of the main problems we had within the company is starting up a new Instagram account, and we needed that viral growth to be able to get us seen in front of the millions of people around the world that would want to download our app and enjoy the content which we put out. So one of our main problems and restrictions was, so when you have a very low amount of followers, the growth isn't the best, and the Instagram algorithm makes it very, very difficult to grow and also just, be seen in front of the worldwide audience. So with that, I brought Josue in to see what he could do with our Instagram following and also Instagram impressions. So that's page views, likes, video views, everything which goes towards that. What Josue managed to do within literally a 1 to 2 week period was turn our impressions from around 20 to 30,000 per week upwards of 20 million within the first week or two. So absolutely outstanding results from him. So if anyone is thinking about working with Josue, whether it's putting him on a project, or whether it's personal branding stuff, whatever it is, he's definitely the go-to guy. Very, very knowledgeable with everything to do with Instagram and very up to date with everything which is happening with the way Instagram is changing. And yeah, top guy.